Welcome to the Epoint post tutorials. Why we need to change shift code. 1. Terminal date running out due to battery failure. 2. Backdate keying back all the sales due to blackout for maintenance. So your management able to view and analyst all sales report accordingly with correct date in place. Computer date and current shift code is different. Let me show you how to change shift code according to computer date. Click on Open Shift button. You may manual key in the date or click on the Today button. Now the shift code is capture as today date. Confirm to change shift code. Well done, change shift code is completed. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.